Hey viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explore some essential tools and learn what each tool does, making it easier to fix things and build projects. Hammer. A hammer is a handheld tool with a heavy head, typically used for driving nails, breaking objects, or shaping materials. Hammer. Screwdriver. Screwdriver is a tool used to turn screws by applying torque through its handle and tip. Screwdriver. Wrench. A wrench is a tool used to grip and turn nuts, bolts, or fasteners by applying controlled torque. Wrench. Pliers. Pliers are tools with pivoting jaws used for gripping, bending, cutting, or holding objects securely. Pliers. Drill. Drill is a tool used for making holes or driving screws by rotating a drill bit at high speed. Drill. Saw. A saw is a tool with a serrated blade used for cutting through materials like wood or metal. Saw. Level. A level is a tool used to determine whether a surface is horizontal or vertical, ensuring accuracy. Level. Measuring tape. Measuring tape is a flexible tool used to measure length or distance with a marked scale. Nails. Nails are pointed metal pins used for fastening materials together by driving them into surfaces. Nails. Screws. Screws are threaded metal fasteners used to join materials by rotating them into a surface. Screws. Bolts. Bolts are heavy-duty threaded fasteners used with nuts to securely join materials together. Bolts. Clamps. Clamps are tools used to hold objects securely in place while working on them or during assembly. Clamps. Spanner. A spanner is a hand tool used to grip and turn nuts, bolts, or other fasteners with a shaped opening. Spanner. Chisel. A chisel is a sharp-edged tool used for carving or cutting wood, stone, or metal by striking. Chisel. Axe. An axe is a tool with a sharp blade used for chopping, splitting, or shaping wood and other materials. Axe. File. A file is a tool with a rough surface used for smoothing or shaping materials like metal or wood. File. Mallet. A mallet is a tool with a soft head used for striking without damaging the work surface or object. Mallet. Socket. Socket is a tool that fits over a fastener, used with a wrench or ratchet to tighten or loosen it. Socket. Trowel. A trowel is a small hand tool with a flat pointed blade used for spreading, shaping, or digging. Trowel. Stapler gun. A stapler gun is a handheld tool used to drive staples into materials like wood, fabric, or upholstery. Stapler gun. Sander. A sander is a power tool used for smoothing or polishing surfaces by abrasion with sandpaper. Sander. Cutter. Cutter is a tool with a sharp blade used for cutting through materials like paper, plastic, or wire. Cutter. Wrench. A wrench is a tool used for gripping and turning fasteners, like nuts or bolts, to apply torque. Wrench. Hacksaw. Hacksaw is a tool with a serrated blade used for cutting metal, plastic, or other materials. Hacksaw. Squeegee. A squeegee is a tool with a rubber blade used for cleaning or removing liquid from flat surfaces. Squeegee. Glue. Glue is a sticky substance used for bonding materials together by adhesion when applied. Glue. Brush. A brush is a tool with bristles used for cleaning, painting, or applying substances to surfaces. Brush. Ladder. A ladder is a vertical or inclined tool with steps used for reaching high places safely. Ladder. Torch. A torch is a portable light source, typically powered by gas or battery, used for illumination or heat. Torch. Shovel. A shovel is a tool with a broad, flat blade used for digging, lifting, or moving materials like soil. Shovel. Pickaxe. A pickaxe is a tool with a pointed head used for breaking hard surfaces like rock or soil. Pickaxe. Compass. A compass is a tool used for drawing circles or measuring angles, with a pivoting needle or legs. Compass. Gloves. Gloves are protective coverings worn on the hands to shield them from injury, dirt, or harsh conditions. Gloves. Mask. A mask is a covering worn on the face to protect from dust, chemicals, or for safety purposes. Mask. Goggles. Goggles are protective eyewear designed to shield the eyes from dust, chemicals, or impact hazards. Goggles. Bucket. A bucket is a cylindrical container with a handle used for carrying or storing liquids and materials. Bucket. Ruler. A ruler is a straight, flat tool used for measuring length or drawing accurate straight lines. Ruler. Crowbar. A crowbar is a heavy metal tool with a curved end used for prying, lifting, or demolishing objects. Crowbar. Trimmer. A trimmer is a tool used for cutting or trimming plants, hair, or materials with precision and control. Trimmer. Hose. A hose is a flexible tube used for carrying liquids or gases from one place to another. Hose. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is a small, hand-powered vehicle with a single wheel used for carrying loads. Wheelbarrow. Clamp meter. A clamp meter is an electrical tool used to measure current by clamping around a conductor without direct contact. Clamp meter. Multi-tool. A multi-tool is a versatile device that combines several tools, such as knives, pliers, and screwdrivers, in one. Multi-tool. Paint roller. A paint roller is a tool with a cylindrical surface used for applying paint quickly and evenly to large areas. Paint roller. Sandpaper. Sandpaper is the abrasive paper used for smoothing or polishing surfaces by rubbing or scrubbing. Sandpaper. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.